Most front doors don't need to be replaced, they just have the same 5 problems. Let's fix them. Hi, we're DoorRenew. If your front door looks worn, outdated, or damaged, you might assume replacement is your only option. Today, we're breaking down the most common front door problems and how professionals fix them without replacing the door. Problem number 1, fading and sun damage. What it looks like: color washed out, patchy stain, or the door looks gray or lifeless. Why it happens: UV exposure breaks down finishes. South and west facing doors fade fastest. Most factory finishes aren't UV rated long term. The fix: strip failing finish. Apply UV resistant commercial coatings. Seal against moisture and heat. There's no need for door removal. Same door, new life. Problem number 2, peeling, bubbling, or flaking paint. What it looks like: paint lifting at edges, bubbles under the surface, and chipping around panels. Why it happens: paint applied over incompatible finishes, moisture trapped beneath coating, and temperature changes. The fix: proper sanding to bare substrate where needed, bonding primers designed for doors, and flexible coatings that expand and contract. Slapping on more paint makes it worse. Problem number 3, scratches, gouges, and surface damage. What it looks like: pet scratches, delivery dings, and wear near handles. Why it happens: daily use, hardware friction, plus pets and foot traffic. The fix: surface leveling, filler and grain repair, and retexturing before refinishing. Once refinished, damage disappears entirely. Problem number 4, outdated color or style. What it looks like: 90s oak stain, builder grade white, and yellowed or orange tones. Why it happens: trends change, new siding or exterior paint, or HOA updates. The fix: custom color matching, modern stains or painted finishes, and optional hardware upgrades. Your door doesn't have to match 1998 anymore. Problem number 5, cracked or checking finish. What it looks like: spiderweb cracks, finish separating from surface, and rough texture. Why it happens: temperature swings, moisture penetration, and aging sealants. The fix: remove failing layers, apply flexible, weather-resistant coatings, and reseal for long-term durability. Problem 6, drafts or minor gaps. What it looks like: light around edges, cold air leaks, and slight rattling. Why it happens: weather stripping wear, door settling, and frame shifts. The fix: replace weather stripping, adjust door alignment, and refinish without disturbing the frame. Problem number 7, door looks old even after cleaning. What it looks like: dull sheen, lifeless appearance, and no depth in color. Why it happens: oxidized finish, micro damage buildup, and years of UV exposure. The fix: full refinishing process, restore depth, shine, and protection. This is the number 1 reason homeowners think they need a new door, when they don't. Replacement is necessary if wood rot is present, the door is severely warped, or structural integrity is compromised. If the door opens, closes, and seals properly, refinishing is usually the better move. Why DoorRenew works: no construction, no door removal, HOA friendly, eco-conscious, and it's a fraction of replacement cost. Most front door problems are surface problems, not door problems. Before replacing your door, make sure you're not throwing money at something that can be fixed. If your door is structurally sound, DoorRenew can restore it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.